In this lesson, we will cover what is AI and the many AI terms. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. AI involves the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. Artificial intelligence can be compared to teaching a computer to think and learn, just like humans do. Imagine if you had a really smart robot in your home who could analyze any data, understand text in any language, recognize images, and make suggestions based on the information you provided. This smart robot can look at a lot of information, remember it instantly, and make decisions based on it. In very simple terms, this smart robot is basically what AI does. AI is a bit like having the smartest personal assistant who can learn new things and get better at tasks over time. Think of AI like a computer program that can understand your preferences and habits and make it easier to do everyday tasks,
AI can help with bigger tasks.
such as improving medical diagnoses or helping cars drive themselves by understanding and reacting to the environment around them. AI is like giving machines the ability to learn and make decisions, much like a human would. But unlike humans, AI can store every bit of data ever collected, learn from it, and automatically make improved decisions over time. With the start of the AI revolution came a flood of AI tools, chatbots, and digital assistants. Throughout this course, we will continually update and add to our list of AI tools. Many AI tools are simply startups chasing the AI venture capital money and are a hat on a hat or worthless solution that already exists online without AI. For example, this image was created by one of the good AI tools you've likely heard of, called ChatGPT. We will focus on only the best AI tools with real-world use cases and teach you how they can assist you in your daily life. Top 10 AI terms. 1. Algorithm. A step-by-step procedure or formula given to an AI or computer program to help it learn, make decisions, and solve problems. 2. Generative AI. AI systems that can generate new content, including text, images, videos, and audio, based on the data they have been trained on. 3. Machine learning. A subset of AI that involves training algorithms to learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data. 4. Deep learning. A type of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, or deep neural networks, to analyze various factors of data. 5. Neural network, a computational model inspired by the human brain, consisting of interconnected units, or neurons, that process information in layers. 6. Natural language processing, a field of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language. 7. Computer vision, a field of AI that enables computers to interpret and make decisions based on visual data from the world. For example, self-driving cars that navigate and drive without human input rely on AI, sensors, cameras, and algorithms to operate safely. 8. AI chatbot, an AI program designed to simulate conversation with human users. 9. Large language model, a type of AI model that is trained on vast amounts of text data to understand, generate, and predict language. Examples include OpenAI's ChatGPT, which can perform a wide range of language tasks like translation, summarization, and conversation. 10. Artificial general intelligence, a level of AI where machines possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, similar to human intelligence. AGI is capable of generalizing knowledge and skills, enabling it to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. An AI hallucination occurs when an artificial intelligence system generates information or responses that are not true. Essentially, the AI makes things up, as the answers aren't present in the data it was trained on. AI is only as good as its data quality, Machine learning depends heavily on the quality and completeness of the data it is trained with. AI hallucinations can happen because the AI is attempting to fill gaps or produce outputs based on patterns it thinks exist, even when they don't. These hallucinations can lead to misleading or incorrect information being provided by the AI. The large AI tools that we share in this course are near hallucination free. But just remember, AI tools can make mistakes and may not be 100% accurate.